you're asking the question, how do I delete a vendor in QuickBooks Online? Then this video is for you. In QuickBooks Online, you can't actually delete the vendor, but what you can do is make the vendor inactive. So let me show you how exactly to do that. If we're just meeting, my name is Melinda and I'm a QuickBooks Online Certified Pro Advisor and owner of 406 Bookkeeping Services, LLC. If you're a business owner and you would like to see if we're a good fit to partner with your business for bookkeeping services, then check out the link in the description of this video. So here we're logged into QuickBooks Online, and I'm going to go over to the left menu bar and hover over Expenses. And here I'm going to click on Vendors. Now I'm going to locate the vendor that we want to make inactive. And we're going to click on this drop-down arrow beside Create Bill over here on the right side of the screen. And then we're going to click on Make Inactive. Now QuickBooks is going to ask us if we are actually sure, and we'll click Yes. And that vendor is now inactive. And if we scroll down, we'll see that that vendor is no longer here. Now, if you want to see how to find and view inactive vendors in QuickBooks Online, then check out this next video and I'll show you exactly how to do that.